Help me help you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Joy Zone Tech. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how can run Windows 11 on Android in 2023. This Windows can run smoothly on low-end devices without any issue. Before we get into tutorial, if you are new to this channel, please click on subscribe button and press the bell notification for upcoming new videos. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the tutorial. First, open Z-Archiver app. Navigate to Downloads folder. If you downloaded the file from my link, you will get the Windows zip file like this. After extraction, you will get Windows image file like this. Now let's configure the Limbo PC emulator for Windows 10. Click on New. Type the Windows machine name as Windows 11. Click on Create. Select Custom. Now let's configure the user interface. Select Display as VNC. Now go to Board. Select Machine as PC. Select CPU model as Core 2 Duo. Add CPU cores to 8. Set the RAM to 1024. Enable MTTCG. Disable TSC. Under Disks, click on Open. Navigate to Downloads folder and select the Windows 11 image file. Under Graphics, select Video Card to VMware. Under Network, select Network to User. Select Network Card to RTL 8139. Click on Play button. Observe the server address running. Now go to VNC Viewer. Click on Plus button. Under Address, type the server address shown in Limbo PC. Under Name, give name as Windows 11. Click on Create. Set the picture quality to high. Disable Update Desktop Preview. Click on Connect. It will take you to Windows booting screen. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes for booting process to complete. If you have good high-end devices, the booting time will take less. As you can see, the Windows loading screen has started. Windows 11 is booted successfully. Wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes to fully load everything. as you can see the details of Windows 11. Now let's check the storage. You will have 1.90 terabytes of virtual storage for your files. You can check out other features from this Windows image file. So this was the tutorial on Windows 11. Before we wrap up, we want to take a moment to thank you, our viewers, for your time and attention. We appreciate your support and hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We'll do our best to respond as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.